This Nissan Interstar has been recently fitted out for one of our milk delivery customers. This conversion has our tried and trusted Xarios 200 road and plug-in refrigeration unit installed. All our carrier refrigeration equipment comes with an optional 3-year parts warranty for extra peace of mind. Lips and drains are fitted to the floor of this conversion. Also fitted to this vehicle is our lightweight kit insulation. This is lighter and more efficient than traditional fiberglass insulation. It also comes with LED lighting for great load area illumination. All our conversions are built in-house for better quality control. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.